Welcome to the lush hills of Portland, Jamaica, a place where nature meets tranquility. Today we join popular Jamaican blogger Collaz Smith and his team as they embark on a cookout adventure surrounded by breathtaking views and a vibrant culture. Collaz and his crew are here not just to cook, but to experience the serenity of the hills and bring us along for the ride. Today's menu will be stewed beef and white rice, as the flavors of Jamaica come alive in this outdoor feast. You can see the various team members play their role in the preparation of ingredients as they meticulously clean the meat, cut the natural seasonings, gather the sticks for the outdoor fire, and prepare the makeshift natural outdoor stove. You can almost smell the spices through the screen. The hills of Portland offer more than just a feast for the stomach. They are a feast for the soul. This is nature at its finest.
My beautiful people, welcome back to another beautiful day. As you can see from the view, look at that. We are on the hilltop, on top of the mountain. I'm on top of the world! So today, we're going to make some stew beef. You don't know, with some rice. Alright? And we are doing it in this beautiful area. Nice, cool and peaceful. Yeah man, I like far away from all of this. Everything else, we're just being one with nature, right? See it? You're also up here. So we're going to keep it before we start, before we put down a party. This was one of our fireside. So we're going to kind of just brush your yourself so we can get a better look of the view up here. See it? Keep it going forward. Brush out.
Pimenta is solid. Yeah man, last piece is left. Cut up and on. See me? Done. So I'm just going to stay tuned and watch out.
Right now, we're up on hilltop and we are max out the food. See? Climb out there so I get the beef clean up and thing. The man them I do the work on the bathroom, as you can see. I have the bird up in our ear. So we fly all the way down the gun, look what them are going with. Now we're showing you the footage then from that.
Same time we get it out back. Be pretty like a morning. check in people, so I get on some jerk season on it. Same time we have the Maggie. That one here go wicked enough people, you know. Don't be late, you know. Never late with people, you know. Watch the people, you see that? Beautiful. Get down, look a bit more Maggie. Same time, you know, people, we have a natural season, you know. You with the bigger pepper, you know. And I will tell you, man, everything, you know, man, I go inside, you know. That one there go wicked, you know, guys. And I need to test that one there, you know. Onion we cut up now. Oh no. See, we have a piece of sweet pepper, yeah. We have some thyme.
And guys, look, them bone, good soup bone in us, can't find purposes feed. So anyways, go and stay tuned, watch what go on, we go season up the beef so we can get it on the fire, because you don't know when I use the pressure cooker, so we have to put it on first and make it cook quick and fast. Yeah man. Outside. So we are going now and get on with beef. See? Yeah man. Climber and so far did walk but don't see the same we get now jelly but we never get any. Anyways, them say them so and next year over that side, so socks, climber and so far gone over there. So let's see if they have any better luck. Me, I will just put on the pot. This one, that one higher. Higher. Turn on, turn. That's what I want to look for. One little flat. You see this guy. Still one little higher one. Show this for me. Alright people, so we're going now. Socks done go ahead and season up the beef. Natural season, powder season and everything. So we just wait for the pot for hot so we can get in some of the oil. So we have a big jar of oil. I don't know if you don't know them things. Back in the days, they usually have some little, I would use like aluminum thing, like one cup, and then measure out the oil, but them start do it that way now. I think people still do it, you'll find it at corner. Still. But nowadays everything is selling a bulk and people are buying a bulk, so I think them things that take time cut out little. But yeah man, you could have buy a pint of oil, half pint, 1 pint. Yeah. So people are getting high and I'm going to the whole big way. See? I got one piece of pepper. I always put him in the thing go on up to the eye. I'll go in with this. Now a minute now I'll get some water, wash out that and get it in my pot. No harm with it. Just fry a little bit first. Looking beautiful in the man. Like that. Looking good. Yeah. Carrying some water on this. And guys, we're going to keep a YouTuber / subscriber link up. See? There are going to more information. We're going in the next probably day or two, we'll put out an official flyer and also like a little video promoting that. Basically, that is going to be aimed at encouraging, you know, more people to start, you know, a channel. And also, if you don't want to start a channel, you can just come and meet up with your favorite YouTubers across Jamaica. Since I really got to invite all of the YouTubers there, near and far. All the overseas you want to keep in and go. You can forward, see? I'm going to have that at the bar in Dover. See? Same place so we keep it back to school trip. Come on, that's what we're going to have. Yeah? A YouTuber, subscriber, link up. Yeah, man.
We don't know what that now.